Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Susanna and welcome back to another cooking video. So this is the meat. We're having stew with ugali. Yeah, that is the meat. You can see that, right? Meat. Nyama. Yeah, nyama. With the onions. I haven't yet put the cooking oil. But it has brought its own cooking oil, but I'm just going to add a little because I don't like that smell of the fat when it's too much in the wet. And this is our dania. Yeah, this is our onions, our tomatoes actually, with the royco cube in it. You can see the royco cube is there. And yeah, this is our salt. Kama kawaida. Yeah. So today's dinner we are having meat. This is stew. And ugali. Hi. You know the Kenyan food, yeah? Ugali. Hey. What it is what? The bodybuilding food or is a carbohydrate or what? I don't know. But I know ugali is a bodybuilding food. Energy giving food. Yeah, if you don't eat it like daily, like once even a week or twice a week, hi my friend, you will not have the energy. Yeah, you better eat ugali, my friend. You can't survive with rice, spaghetti. Ooh, you can't survive with only that. Alright, so you have to eat ugali. Just do it like twice a week or thrice a week is better for you to get the energy. Yeah, meanwhile, have you subscribed yet to my YouTube channel? Yeah, kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. So this meat actually, I want it to be brownish. Yep, brownish. Yep. Yeah, then we put our tomatoes. Like kawaida, I like putting my spices at once. Okay? Yeah. Can you see the brownish, the meat? It's already brownish. So we put our tomatoes. I also put dania once, actually. Then I cover it for some minutes, okay? I cover it for some minutes, alright? You can see that it's actually smelling nice. Smelling nice. Yeah. So you know why? Let me tell you the reason why I normally put my dania together with the tomatoes. It's because the dania has that nice taste, okay? That nice smell, that sweet aroma that can give you the appetite to eat the food, okay? So that's why I normally put it like that. Yeah. So kindly subscribe. So let's check our meat. Actually, this nini, the tomatoes, another one is not yet ready. So I normally bring the nini. I normally like the tomatoes to buy the tomatoes which is not much ripe, so that it won't get spoiled so fast. So if you see the hard tomatoes here, that's why I'm pressing like this one, so it will just cook slowly. So like you can see how yummy it is. Oops. That's stew. Hi, can check on that. Very nice. Some soup for the baby, the sake of the baby. Yeah, that soup is okay. That soup is okay, yeah? That soup is okay. Alright. So it will just boil. Then it will leave the beautiful soup. The nice taste for having ugali. So if you haven't just subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe. So our ugali is here already. Let me show you the ugali. The ugali is already cooked. I'm done with the ugali. So just waiting for the stew now. And yeah, let's cover it so it will remain warm till we. So let's check our soup. Yeah, you can see. Let's switch on the gas. So the soup is there now. Baba, stop, that is bad manners. So our soup is here now. So now let me show you how the soup is thick. You can see. Yeah. So now let me serve my baby. Guys, tell me who you normally serve first. Do you serve big people first when your food is ready, or you normally start with your kid first? For me, I normally start with my kid. Yeah, the rest of the people will eat later, okay? So tell me at the comment section who you normally serve first. For me, I normally serve my son first. So I want him to eat. Like you can hear him shouting. He's angry actually. He now wants to eat. Let's go and eat, Daddy. So that is how it is. How it is looking. Daddy. So that is our dinner. It's ready now. Yeah. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe, please. Kindly share the video, like and comment. I'll see you again. Bye.